This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different Hi girl, hi girl, hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie. How you ride?
What's up, you guys? I'm Kaya here, and today's video is going to be a huge Shein haul, winter Shein haul that you guys are going to see. You guys are going to like, okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, the usual. All my social media links will be down below. You know, I don't want to talk too much. So yeah, let's get into this video, okay? Most of the stuff is just set, so, well, basically all of it. But yeah, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to start off with is this two-piece. It's pants, it's flare pants. It's cute. And it's blue. And it looks like the ocean to me. But you know what kind of give me? That desert. I forgot what it's called. But you know. And then those pants. And this is the top. Really cute little crop top. It's okay. So this is it. The pants are really, really high-waisted. But you know, it goes to the top because the top is really, really cropped. So, flares out at the bottom. As you can see. Yeah. It's cute. Loving it. The next thing I have is this pants and shorts set. Wait, shirt and pants. Shorts and shirt set. Kind of like a sweat thing, kind of do, you know. These are the shorts. They're actually green, but on camera it looks kind of gray. I don't know, maybe it looks green on camera. You know, I'm just like thinking. But yeah, so it's actually green. Like this part is green and this part is white. So, and then this is the shirt to go with it. It's long sleeved. Cotton. This is the short set. It do have pockets, thank God. The shorts are adjustable. It's very, what's it called? It's not tight, so it's good. It's very much giving lounge wear, giving chill vibes, okay? Chill winter vibes, okay? Good. Short, front, back, you know. The next set is this royal blue set. It's sweatpants and a sweatshirt. These are sweatpants, royal blue, so pretty. And then this is the shirt. It says Los Angeles, California. It's also cropped. So cute. I could tell it's gonna be really pretty. Like I could just see it now. This is it. So cute. It's very much comfortable. I like it. And I could tell it's gonna keep me warm because I'm getting hot right now. So yeah. And the pants do go all the way down, so that's good. I used to be like really tall, so you know the pants don't really fit all the way down, but now they do. So yeah, this is it. Cute, comfortable. This next set is a hot pink set, or a magenta really. It's a skirt and a shirt. This is so cute. And then this little shirt. So it's really a contrast between the blue and the pink. But yeah, so this is like the material is like, I don't know how to explain that material, but you know, it's kind of like easy to slide, you know, slippery, whatever. Satin, there we go. Satin. This is that material. Now this one. It's definitely giving black Barbie. So cute. I got all this stuff in size 2, just so you guys know. But yeah, this is it. So cute. I'm just loving this. This is really, really cute. And it's so comfortable. It feels very much lightweight. So that's the back. Like that. Next we have this purple set. It's shorts and a shirt, biker short. So cute. Like, that's so cute, pink and purple. But anyways, yeah, these are the shorts, the biker shorts. And then this is the shirt. It's this kind of material. It's not cloth, but it's kind of cloth. But yeah, and then this is this one. This one is giving me very much a workout outfit. These are the shorts. Oh, almost fell. Yeah, these are the shorts. The back is just like the pink one. What the heck? But yeah, this is it. Very much comfortable and form-fitting. The next one is a gray one, just like this one, so I'm not gonna try it on, but yeah, it's a gray one. These are the shorts. Basically the exact same thing, just as comfortable. So the next thing is this other two-piece. So this is the top. It's like kind of knitted kind of material. This is the top. It's cute. It's like a pink kind of color, pinkish red, but on camera it looks really pink. But it's like a pinkish red really. Then it has these pants to go along with, not even pants, but same material, joggers I guess you could say, to go with them. So yeah, this is this one, like I said, knitted. So it's actually kind of like tights, the tights, like it sticks to me like tights. So forget that I said joggers. But anyways, this is giving pajama type or like picnic type of vibes. This next thing is like my second favorite thing in the set. The first one, I mean in this whole package, first one was, you know, the pink outfit, because you know, like I said, Black Barbie. This is a tracksuit, you know, the Y2K tracksuits. Yeah, this is it. This is it. It's in the velour kind of material, as you guys can see. But yeah, and I got that, and that's the sweater. And then these are the pants. So cute, so cute. This is this one. It's very soft, and everything just fits me loose, but like a good kind of loose, you know, not like a bad kind of loose. Then the pants. That's so cool. Did I do that? But yeah, very comfortable. Strings, they're adjustable too, and it has a hoodie on the back. And yeah, giving me very much Y2K baddie, as it should. This next outfit is this yellow two-piece. It's one side top, and then the pants, they're like sweatpants really, and they're this type of material. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see. So that yeah, another knitted kind of thing, you know. But yeah, this is it. I'm not even gonna have to lie, like it's gonna be like my third favorite set. Like it's gonna feel like a genie, like so cute. But yeah, this is it. Another comfortable thing. Also it has pockets, again, thank the Lord. But yeah, I'm really liking this top. Nice with the pants, you know the tight but like loose bottoms, that's what it is. So yeah, so cute, so cute. Sorry if I had an ice cream truck, but anyways, this is the next outfit. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen this, but yeah, it's this shirt with, you know, the scrunched up sides, and then the long skirt with the scrunched up sides too. It's brown. I'm liking that it's brown, you know. I don't have any cream brown kind of stuff a lot, so you know, it's nice to be out of my comfort zone. But anyways, so this is it. Kind of gives me like a dress kind of vibes. Give me very much classy baddie, especially with the necklaces and then, you know, the brown. It's giving me very much classy brown skin girl. Anyways, yep, that's it. So cute. Right, and then you see the scrunches. Scrunches go all down to the skirt too. Give me very much baddie. I can already picture this outfit in my head because I got some shoes I'm gonna show you guys later on. But yeah, I can already picture it. Next outfit, giving also like a chill type of vibe to it, you know. These shorts, tie-dye with this shirt. Oh, I did not put my eyeliner on, I just realized. Anyways, with this shirt, so cute. And it's this type of material. But it's just a marble, I'm not even gonna lie. That's color. What else do they have, so just try this on mine. Part 2 coming back tomorrow, but either way it's gonna be part 1 because of this video. But yeah, see y'all in a little bit. So like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all and say that it's not like 2 days later, no, 3 days later, but yeah, it automatically that I'm doing it. So sorry that my dog's barking in the background. I don't know what she got going on. So I have a messy bed also. But yeah, so now we're just going on to the next part of these clothes. I didn't like how my makeup was done in the first part, but I didn't feel like doing my makeup today, so you just get a bare face, but you're gonna take it or leave it. But yeah, so next, on to the next outfit. And these are the shorts. It has the you know, the lettuce thing, whatever. I've heard that's what it's called, I don't really know. But yeah, and then it's like that type of material with it, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this on, see how it fits. So this is it. It is so cute. Hold on, let me button this one. So cute, I'm loving it. Like, this is it, this is the back. Yeah, this is so cute. And it fits really nice. I love the colors too. Next in this haul is just some simple outfit, you know. It's just this black tube top. These straps go inside, but it's just this black tube top, and then these these black kind of like jogger pants. Like, even though they're not tights, but like they're like loose fitting tights. You know what I mean? I don't know what those are called, but yeah, joggers. I'm just gonna call them joggers. So yeah. So my mother did in fact lie to me, and these are in fact tights. So they are regular little tights or whatever. And then this is the tube top. See, I needed a black tube top. Basically, black tube top is what I needed. So thank God. I did have to roll the tights up a little bit because they were loose. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in. But yeah, so I had to roll them up, but they're still cute nonetheless. Yeah, just a simple little black little outfit or whatever. You know, you can wear this anywhere. Simple little day out. Next outfit is this purple and white two-piece. This is a skirt, and then this is the shirt. With the shirt, you just tie up the sides on the side, and yeah, it's really cute. So this is this one. It is so cute. I am loving it, y'all. Like, and the side is open. That's the back. So cute. I love how like it crosses on the side, and then the skirt fits me so well, guys. You know, usually skirts don't really fit me that well, but this skirt fits me so well, and I'm just loving it. Like, the vibes is giving. It's giving material girl. Okay, material girl, if you ask me. But yeah, so the material is kind of like Shein has been getting better with their quality. I do have to say that. I do have to say that. But the material is like slippery. It's not satin, but it's like you know what I mean? Like, yeah. So yeah, this is it. Next is this pajama set. It's what's it called? Dinosaurs on it. Colorful dinosaurs. This is so cute. It's the top, and it got that little U cut there. And then these are the shorts, little skinny shorts. They're so cute. I think this is adjustable. Nah, these aren't adjustable either, but so cute. So you gotta make sure you get the right size on this because these are not adjustable. But yeah, so this is it, and this is satin kind of material, as you guys can see. It's satin. Yeah, gonna try this on. Okay, y'all. This is my third favorite thing in this whole haul. Okay, because do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? And it's cut low in the back. Material girl. Because it's giving material girl. You can't tell me that it's not. But yeah, these are so cute. It's so comfortable too. Like, this is such a cute little, what's it called? Pajama set. And it's like, it got like a cut material. Like, it looks like it's cut, but it's really not. But it's cut. But yeah, this is so cute. And it's so comfortable, y'all. Like, I could actually, like, I don't really have pajamas like that. So I'm glad I got these. Because these are so cute. And I'm loving the little dinosaur on it. Like, the little dinosaurs look so cute. The next thing is another two-piece set. It's kind of like the purple set that I showed you guys earlier. I also have a gray one of those. So just imagine the gray one of the purple one. So yeah. This is it. This shirt, it has faces on it. This is my fourth favorite thing in this whole thing. Like, this is so cute to me. Like, that is so cute. And then these are the biker shorts. White biker shorts. This is such a cute like outfit to me. Like, this would be so bomb to wear. I'm gonna try this on. So this is it. Can you have some underwear? I lied, I wasn't wearing dark underwear. So the tights are not see-through because I'm not wearing dark underwear. I thought I would. But this is white, so you can see. But yeah, so this is it. It's not the same material as the purple one. This one is more cotton material, but it's still comfortable, still fits really nice. That's the back. I'm out of breath, y'all. See, this is why I don't even do it all like that, because every time I do a haul or something like a tour or something, I get so out of breath and I don't know why. But anyways, got me breathing all hard, and I'm like, I gotta apologize for breathing all hard, or I gotta cut out the breathing. You know, it should be too much sometimes. But anyways, it's a cute little set to wear. I'm loving it. It is so cute, and it fits so nice. So yes, get a size 2 if you think you fit my measurements. I am 5'3" for measurement, 5'3", 106 pounds. Okay, so yeah. Next is this 3-piece set. It's gonna be Christmas vibes. But this is the skirt, plaid skirt. This is, oh no, it's not 3 pieces. That's another outfit that I'm thinking about. And this is the shirt. It's off the shoulder, long sleeve, and it's so cute. This material is also cotton. Yeah, this material is also cotton, and yeah, I'm gonna try this on. Okay, guys, so this is it. I'm loving it. But one thing I can't say about this is get a size up, because this feels like I'm wearing a size freaking T2, okay? Like, this, That's why I hate getting like long sleeve stuff in a small size, because the sleeves are also always so freaking tight. But it's a cute outfit nonetheless. Okay, I got it now. It's a cute outfit nonetheless. Just get a size up. Whoo, that was a workout. Anyways, it's the top. The top is super tight around the arms. Like, ooh, it's super tight. But I mean, this part is good. The skirt is good too. Just get a size up. That's all I gotta say. Just get a size up. It is super comfortable though. You are gonna be warm in this, even though it is a skirt, you know, a crop top and it's off the shoulder. But you are gonna be warm if you wear this. So definitely recommend this one. Just in a size up. And last but not least is this skirt. This is a long skirt. It's kind of like the black outfit. I mean the brown outfit. And it scrunches up at the sides. But the only difference is this is off the shoulder. Like it's off one shoulder. I mean I said off one shoulder. It has one shoulder thing. So yeah, this is it. I don't know if I feel like trying this one on. But you know I'm going to try it on anyway. So this is this one. Jeez. I'm telling y'all, taking off that last outfit, get a size up. I can't. Anyways, this is it. It's so cute. The skirt is really long, that you guys can see. It looks like a dress, but you know you can scrunch it up, scrunch the top up, and then make it to like a skirt, like you actually like, so you can actually like see the skirt. I'm sorry I'm reading this so hard, y'all, but yeah, I thought this better. This is cuter. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm loving it. Loving it like it's Mickey D's. Okay, hair all messed up and everything from trying on all these freaking clothes. Anyways. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm always looking to do this finder. But please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. On my social media links will be down below in the description box. If you guys have any videos you need to recommend to me, like video ideas you want to recommend to me, comment them down below and I will read them, and I will probably do them. Most likely I would, because I be running out of ideas. But yeah, it is all messed up and everything. Like I can't. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I love you guys and talk to you guys next time. Bye.